Okay, so this is an unboxing of the comic book wall mount. Inside of here, as I open it, there's actually 10 pieces. 10 pieces will hold 5 comic books, one for the top and then one for the bottom of your slab. And again, you need a CGC graded slab to make this. Here's the side angle. There's a tension bar here. There's bags. Let me clear it off. So I only need 2. I have a Slab comic here. You can see the thickness, and the one piece is going to grab onto the bottom of the slab. This is just for demonstration. In the real scenario, this would have been mounted to your wall, and it just slides in there, and the tension bar will hold it secure. Let me just mock it up as if this were the wall real quick. So yes. Here I have it mounted to a piece of wood to simulate a wall with the screws tight. So again, if you grab your slab, now everything's secure, then you would just slide in. And then I'm going to turn the board to the side so that you can see that it's holding the slab tight. So you don't have to worry about the other ones where it just uses gravity to hold, where somebody could easily knock the slab off of the wall. And then right there you saw the gap. There's a gap between the bottom to give it that float effect. The material is very clear. What I'm trying to illustrate here is that I'm trying to show you the slab. And if you think that had a clean plastic, this one is just as, if not more clean.